to enclose the entire all the 3 pages out there. What is wrong with this not to enclose the entire? I would have understood. Okay, you may not have the enclosure with that. Very well, fine. But why the 3 pages were not enclosed, which
That is
was
very
given to you,
importantly,
and
madam.
you have selectively only enclosed the first
No,
page.
don't, we are not selectively enclosed. That is
Absolutely.
inadvertently. That is
No,
your
Mr.
presumption.
Boras, it is the
That is
first.
the presumption of your lordship that this selectively. Otherwise, I would have not given it to lordship. Otherwise, now I have not given it to your lordship today. If I would have been selective, that I have not given
You
it to
have
lordship.
now an option when this the other document has already been placed
They
out
have
here.
tested. They
When
have,
the-
we
when
don't have
the
to
other
copy.
document is out there,
I could have given the only 1 page to you if it is selective. Why lordship is putting the word selective then?
absolutely it is a
See, if
selective.
that's my bona fide, I have placed it. Right now, I have placed it. So why I have placed it?
This is a
If it's
selectively which
I
has
have
been
no
done.
bona fide. You can dismiss my petition on that ground, but you don't use this selective.
Why you have not enclosed the entire FIR?
We have received the FIR, whatever.
See, if this is the certified copy,
Yes, this is the
yeah,
certified
no,
copy.
kindly look into it.
Yes, my lord.
No, why have you not enclosed the entire FIR? Kindly see this. This is the certified copy. Kindly see there that a Hindi portion out there on top. No, that page. No, the next page on top. Ask your if you yes read that.
There is only an enclosure.
No, that becomes a part of the Mool Aadhaar hai means that is the part of it. That is the main thing.
Yes, we have received these FIR as a certified copy, but they have not received that has not been furnished.
It is mentioned out there, and more particularly, Mr. Bora, why haven't you enclosed that portion of it in your FIR? Kindly see what you have done in your petition.
My lord, that portion was not available when we have got this.
This was very much available. That is a certified copy available to you.
Certified copy, but it was that the enclosure was not made available to us.
I understand, but why in your petition the entire 3 pages of the document is not a part of the record?
Oh, that we have.
Why haven't you done that?
We have not that. Yes, but we have the main portion. We have annexed it.
No, well, the main portion we are not concerned because that portion has a lot of relevance taking into account that there it says that the main FIR is a part of the record.
The annexer.
So no, that is not the anchor. That is the actual FIR, and they have only made a gist of it.
So whatever we have received, my lord, we have annexed it.
You have not enclosed the
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
And for the records, my lord, they have filed an FIR, affidavit. In affidavit, there is no mention about these things, man. They could have rebutted that.
Now can this court say that no, in view of this disclosure out there, can this court now say that okay, we are not going to look into the annexure to the FIR, which actually forms the.
No, they could have annexed it in the first affidavit also. That may be the development, we don't know. So let them bring, we'll also take instruction.
Almost, why haven't you filed the entire, that 3 documents, that 3 pages, why haven't you filed it?
That's maybe inadvertently that has remained, my lord.
No, it can't be. There has to be an explanation out there. There cannot be an inadvertently done. Why have you only enclosed this? There's some compromise deed you have enclosed.
Yes.
Why didn't you mention any all other?
Actually, that is the only the part is that is not developing anything, only there is an annexer.
No,
But
that
we
is
have not provided.
no. That
When we have applied
no,
for the
Mr.
certified
Bora,
copy.
that particular document aspect clearly shows that the FIR is that was the gist and the main FIR is a
Maybe.
part of it.
Maybe, my lord, but in their first affidavit, they have not rebutted that there is not just a gist. They have simply admitted that part. They have admitted this is the FIR 406, 420 has been made out. In the first affidavit, there is no mention. There is a part of the gist of the FIR we have been enclosed. Not a single mention in their first affidavit. Now they have brought in there is something there to more. I have to take the instruction from my client that is there anything to be more? Is there any enclosure to the original FIR?
It
But
is
the-
on the from your own certified copy. It says that there is an enclosure.
Yes, maybe, my lord.
What
But
other instructions are required?
so we will ask for the original enclosure. Their original thing.
We vacate the stay. The stay can't remain if you have not enclosed the entire thing.
So they have not admitted that whatever the document they have said.
You should have enclosed the entire thing. This is not the way how you Wouldn't this amount to a suppression of material facts?
No. That is,
Absolutely. This is a case of suppression of material facts.
how can we
Haven't
admit
you
it?
enclosed- Why haven't you enclosed the entire all the 3 pages out there? What is wrong with this not to enclose the entire? I would have understood. Okay, you may not have the enclosure with that. Very well, fine. But why the 3 pages were not enclosed, which
Haven't
was
you
given to you,
inadvertently,
and
madam?
you have selectively only enclosed the first.
No, don't do. We are not selectively enclosed. That is
Absolutely.
inadvertently. That is
No,
your
Mr.
presumption.
Lawrence, it is the
That is the
first.
presumption of your lordship that this selectively.
is
Otherwise, I would have not given it to lordship. Otherwise, now I have not given it to your lordship today if I would have been selective. That I would not given
You
it to
have
lordship.
now an option when this, the other document has already been placed
They
out
have
here.
tested. They
When
have,
the-
we don't
when
have to
other
copy.
document is out
We
there,
don't- I could have given the only one page to you if it is selective. Why lordship is putting the word selective then?
absolutely it is a
See,
selective.
where is the my bona fide? I have placed it. Right now, I have placed it. So why I have placed it?
This is a
If it's my-
selectively which
I
has
have
been
no
done.
bona fide. You can dismiss my petition on that ground, but you don't use this selective, my lord.
I will.
You
I put.
dismiss it,
I
whatever
can
you
put it-
do.
Want, I can put it on.
Yeah, put it all. But you don't use the word selective, my lord,
I
because
will.
right now,
No.
I have placed the original copy where it has been mentioned.
You have not done that entire.
Whenever the court asked it, I have asked it. I have placed it. Had I have the intention, I could have not placed it, that part. And the gist of the original FIR, they have not reverted in the part effort. Now they have brought it some of the document.
But when
which
you
is
have
given
not
us to
enclosed
us.
the entire thing, let's see who has filed the petition. So petition kune file করছে?
And the document they have placed it before, we have not submitted also. In the first affidavit, there is no mention about these facts. Now they have brought in the new facts. There may be a second FIR also. We don't know. The FIR he is telling about. Why they are silent about in the affidavit?
This particular document has not been enclosed the entire in total.
Yes, that I have admitted.
Closed that,
I
yeah.
admitted. I have only objection regarding the malafidness on my ground. That is the only objection I have put it. That the malafidness. I have no malafidness regarding that.
Malafidness of what?
The lordship has put it.
Absolutely. When there were 3 pages, no, Mr. Counsel, kindly appreciate. When there were 3 pages out there, why you have only enclosed one?
Part I have enclosed.
No, can you do only one part?
Yes.
When the entire
Main-
document is
main
there with
part
you?
We are doing it every day. We are doing it in the High Court. The main part in the FIR. We are doing it every day. That is the procedure going on. The main part of the FIR. We don't need to enter FIR. The first part of the day, where the format. Format we don't enclose everywhere. We always enclose the main part of the FIR. That's going on. And that is why I have placed it. Now, if I had some malified intention, I have said that I don't have that. I have placed it before your lordship right now. Then I have found it, yes, there is some annexer.
Good.
So that's what I have said, that I have to take the instruction from my client, is there any annexer to that? Because they have also not, in your affidavit, nowhere mentioned there is an annexer or there is a original FIR to that effect. They have not mentioned in the earlier FIR. So I was also under the view there is no mention. Otherwise, we have brought it. What is my point? I could have.
Who is the filing authority? Counsel? Who is this? Chandra? Submit a report before this court. Why only that portion has been done?
It is going on. That practice is going on.
Let it be, but then also we'll have an inquiry.
Yes, have it.